So this is a drone shot video of a windmill, as you can see, and this is not a real video. This is an AI video of this image. As you can see, I downloaded this image from Google. Then later I used Gemini AI or the Nano Banana Pro to make this image into a drone shot like image. So you can create any image or any object or subject that you have, then create a drone like footage with using Google AI. So let me show you from the beginning how you can do that. So you just need a photo of a real image or any other image that you want to create a drone shot footage. So first we're going to download the image. So I'm going to download this image of a chart chair and create this into a drone footage. So I already downloaded this, but this is not a drone shot like image. As you can see, we're going to make this footage into Gemini AI. So first we'll come to Gemini AI, then upload the image here. Then we're going to give a prompt here. So we're simply going to give a prompt here, turn this photo like it was taken by a drone and aspect ratio 16:9. And remember to take the photo like this, because if you take a photo from the front, it will not have much data to create the backside of the drone footage. So remember to take the image shot from a side view, so it will get more data to create the video more accurate. So you just need to check on the Pro version, select the create image and then submit. And then you just have to wait for it to make the shot into like this was taken by a drone. And also, if you want to use the Nano Banana Pro for free and avoid the watermark, because if you create an image in Gemini AI, as you can see, the image has been created. This look like a drone footage and this has given a watermark. You can watch this video to how to use the Nano Banana Pro for free and also without the watermark. You can watch this video. So our footage has been created like it was taken by a drone. So we're going to download it. Now to make this into a video, we're going to come to the labs.google flow. I'm going to give the link in the description box. You just need to come here and click on create with flow. You may need to sign in with your Gmail account, and after that you just need to click on this new project. And after coming to the new project, choose from here frames to video and you have to upload the image. Click on this plus icon, click on upload and upload the image that we have just created. Now as you can see, there's a watermark here, so we're just going to crop it so there will be no watermark, and crop and save, and it will be uploaded on your frames to video. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And now as you can see, the image has been ready. Now here you need to give a prompt here. You need to give this prompt. I'll give the prompt in my description box, so you can just copy and paste it. And as you can see, this is the subject here. So for this image we have a chart here, so we're going to remove the subject to chart because our subject is chart here. And remember to choose the outputs per prompt 1 and VO3 fast quality, which only use 20 credits, and click submit. And then it will start to create the drone shot footage of the image that we uploaded. So as you can see, after a couple of minutes our video has been ready. So if I just play the video, now you can see this is a smooth orbital effect of a drone footage. Now you can download this. Here's the download button. You can download this with the upscale version of high resolution, or you can also download the low resolution. So if you just click on this upscale version, it will not take any credit. It will start to upscale your video and download your video on your PC. So as you can see, this was the original photo of the chart, and this is the drone footage that we got from creating the image with Gemini AI. So with this workflow, you can create any type of drone footage with your image from real life image that you click on your phone camera or any other camera without having a drone. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.